Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to explain to you guys why I was looking for those of you that is in my Telegram group. So I was looking for buy continuation in BTC, but I ended up taking sell trade. So this is just to tell you that ICC is just a market structure. So and you just have to follow what the market is giving you at the time. So this is an indication, a buy indication, because it break. Remember, we are trading ICC. So an ICC, whenever market break a swing high, a swing low, is indication. This time it break a swing high, giving us what indication. As I was showing you in the Telegram channel, that this is indication. Then we went down on a correction to check our correction, but I was not seeing what is happening here. I just have to go down to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to get a clear view of what market is giving us. So going down to 15 minutes, hold on. So going down to 15 minutes after the indication being this place, then correction is coming in inside here. Then we're waiting for it to give us a continuation, because ICC, after you must have seen your indication, you wait for a correction, then after the correction, then continuation, you take your trade. So here market give us indication, then correction. How do you know that your correction is over? This is just a typical example how to know that your correction is over, but it did not play out well. Okay, let me remove this without seeing what I'm explaining. So this is our correction. Remember, correction is always selling. But okay, before I continue, I will just have to tell you that now market is either doing what? Buying up or selling. Market is either buying or selling or consolidating. But this time it's not consolidating. As you can see, market was, from this place coming down, it was selling. Now, how do you know that your correction is over? It's when correction start turning into continuation. That's when you know that your correction is over, or is when your correction stop breaking lows, because markets that is selling will always be breaking low and maintaining the high. As you can see, this is your high, this is your low. Market break it, coming to this way. Did you see that I did not break this one? That is when you start paying more attention. Okay, it's like my correction is about to end, then let me watch and know if it will give me continuation. So I coming to this place, gave us this low, push up this high. We are mostly concerned. Why I'm not marking the high here is that we are mostly concerned about the lows. We want to see it stop breaking lows. So give us this low, give us this equal low, equal higher low, give us this higher low again. Coming up to this place, give us this higher. That's why I mark this. I mark this here so that market will bounce on it and push up, come back again, push up, coming up above this place. My alarm was here, then we'll buy, because this is an indication to buy. Then we'll buy. But unfortunately, market did not give us that. That's why it's good to follow market structure. You not only learn ICC, you learn ICC and learn market structure. See what market did here. Immediately he got a push up to this place. Immediately market push up to this place, he pushed back again. The reason he pushed back again is because there's a whole strong amount of sellers here that's pushing price down. See it, market still try to gather strength again with this candle now to know if it will give us our another higher high, higher high and continue going up, but it ended up breaking this low. So immediately it break this low, I was like, okay, it's not following structure again. We have a buy indication, and is on correction, and correction is turning to continuation by giving us low, higher low, higher low, and now it's breaking the low. Market that is buying is not meant to be doing what? Breaking lows. Do you understand? The one that is selling, if market is selling, market will be breaking lows. But if it's buying, it's not meant to be breaking lows. Once it's breaking lows, you will just know that it's not following structure, and it should not be. You should just look for, you know, is either you should not be on the trade, or you look for where the trade is heading to. Whether you have indication to sell, or maybe you should just wait and understand what the market is giving you. At this time, I did not wait because he came to this place and break this low, giving me indication here. Went on a correction. I would have just entered off here, but I like being sure. I said, okay, just break this 15 minutes low, the first low here. Let me know what will happen. Let me know if he's going to break this one. He came again and break this one. again. I said, okay, let me be sure. Again, I waited for it to break this one. The last load I gave us. Merely break this one, I entered off here. So this is how the trade was looking. I entered somewhere here, keeping my stop loss above the swing high gave me. Go back to 1 hour time frame. And targeted this low. So this was the place I was targeting, because it's this place that started the whole trend. So market came, and break it, giving me another indication. Because for market to break this place, now this is a low. Market break giving you indication, correction. Here, coming to this place now, continuation. So then again, I'm still holding this trade now. Still holding it. The trade I entered on was okay. When did I enter this trade? It was on Sunday. Okay, yeah, on Sunday. On Sunday, I entered it on Sunday, and today is Tuesday, so I'm still holding it. Today is what? Why is it not showing? Yes, today is Tuesday. As you can see down there, it's Tuesday. So I'm still holding BTC. I don't know if you guys understand what happened here. What I just explained, market gave me this. Why is this thing blocking me? Hold on. Please, I don't want this video to be this long. I don't just know why this thing is blocking me. Maybe I should just shift it from here. So market gave me a buy indication because it break above this high, giving me a buy indication. Coming down for correction, I went down to 15 minutes. I was following the correction. The correction was giving me low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and immediately it came to this place. There was a very strong rejection candle in 15 minutes that even break a low. So I waited for it to go on a correction in 15 minutes, coming down again. And I would have entered then, but I just wanted to be sure, so I allowed it to break the first low that it gave me here, which is this. Immediately break it, I entered, and I'm holding it down here. It's just very simple. I don't know if you guys understand this. If you understand this, yeah, you comment ICC. Then if you don't, you drop your questions on the comment section. Then I will go through it and answer you. Yeah, thank you.